there are new digitalization technologies coming on today around about camera-assisted line clearance, and digital print technologies, which allow you to really reduce that machine downtime. And if you look at the business case for either of those two technologies, it is significant. And I think one of the challenges, if you want, is about people understanding what's actually at play in either of these two concepts or technologies, if you want, and really understanding how it will help them. And I think it's not about just buying some software and a camera or two. It's about how you actually get the whole system working alongside the operators that are inside, running the machines, and how you help them to enhance and improve the changeover time aligned with their SOP for batch changeover. So it's about really just sitting down and figuring out the use cases, but they have tremendous payback, these technologies.
You're really talking about focus on automation, because you will be automating processes that has been handled by operators traditionally. And not replacing the operator, but assisting the operator in minimizing those changeover times.
Yeah, but still integrating, let's say, their existing SOP, their sort of process system that they are following to do that. Somebody told me recently, or mentioned to me recently, that cameras are more are better at spotting defects than the human eye, and I think that's maybe a little bit debatable, but I think it can greatly assist the whole process. And that extra hour, as I said earlier, means that you have an extra hour of capacity. And if you talking about a very small volume, a high value product, that's worth its weight in gold. Just basically saving an hour here and an hour there is enormous in terms of the overall saving to the organization.
Yeah, and when you mention cameras, there could also be some side effects or positive side effects of that, because now you have on tape or on video what actually happened. Instead of this being monitored by the human eye, you can actually go in and see it again and again and again, and thereby, of course, not only ultimately validating that it happened, but also make a real decision of what to do about it, and learning, of course, ultimately from the process.
Yeah, indeed. I think that if you, as you say, you can go back and look at it, you can then start to potentially see trends that maybe a label's getting stuck in a certain area. Okay, well, if that's a problem, then you can start a root cause analysis and figure out maybe there's something wrong in the machine that's causing this label to get stuck in the machine somewhere, and obviously the risk of mix-up. So it allows you to do much more detailed analysis of the process and what's actually happening during the running of the machine.